Today we have the Airpods Pro that aren't charging properly. The case charges normally. The earbuds are also fine. I got replacements through Apple's recall campaign. So the issue must be with the charging contacts. I've cleaned them several times, but it hasn't helped. Then I heard about a tip. Maybe the contacts on the charging case have bent and need to be bent back. Proceed at your own risk. You could permanently damage your charging case. Only attempt this if you can't get charging work any other way. In the charging case, in the recesses for AirPods, there are two gold-plated copper strips on each side. Gently lift both strips with a hook-like tool. I'll show how to make the tool at the end of the video. Be careful not to lift too much. Otherwise, the strips will lift completely off one edge, and you will never get them back. That's what happened to me. As a result, I can no longer completely close the case. On the other hand, charging now works great. The issue is really only cosmetic. Anyway, I would have had to throw away the earphones, so a small gap doesn't bother me. The tool must be very small and can be made from a plastic head pin. Heat the tip of the pin with the flame and slowly move the flame away from the tip. The goal is to cool the tip slowly. The pin is carbon steel and will harden if the flame is removed quickly. Hardened steel is brittle and will snap if you bend it. Now the tip is soft and you can gently bend it into a hook. Grind off the sharp tip. Make a handle from tape and heat shrink tubing. Layer the heat shrink tubing several times until you have a good grip on the tool. This is how I made my tool. I put the tool I made into my toolkit, because you might need such a mini hook sometime. So this is how you fix a charging case for Airpods Pro. Hopefully the video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.